This is a video tutorial on how to generate a custom branded image for your Zoom account as a virtual background. What I want to do in the interim is maybe have a virtual background behind me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go and ask AI to generate an abstract branded background with our brand logo, right? A little typo in there, but that's okay. So my goal is to get an abstract background with our logo, with our brand colors. Okay. Within a moment, it just created this. Now I've got a beautiful image here. Okay. So once I have an image here, I can save this to my desktop. Okay. Now, once it's saved, this is what I have to do. Inside of Zoom, what I have to do is I have to click on the video option right here. So if you see the video icon right here, you click on this, there's actually an up arrow. You click on this up arrow, and then you can click video and effects settings. Now, once you click on that, you're going to be taken to the section right here where you have your options. So the first thing I always recommend is click on your video and make sure the HD checkbox is selected. Okay. And then this, because that way you have HD video on your face. Okay. Appearance, you can do, touch up my face. You can do some skin smoothing here in Zoom. But what I really like to do is the virtual background. So now you select virtual background, which is the third one. And then you select that plus button. It's a little bit hidden, but that plus button will allow you to upload an image or a video. Video is a little glitchy. I don't really care for video. I like an image. Okay. Now you upload an image right here. And then when you select that button, it allows you to select the file from your computer. So what I will do now is I will go ahead and proceed to do that. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the up arrow from video, click on video and effects settings. I'm going to click on virtual background. I'm going to click on the plus button, as I mentioned, click add image, and then I'm going to go to my desktop. You won't be able to see this, but I just gave the demo. And now I've got my virtual background. Okay. So now I notice my logo might need to be mirrored. So that's a great opportunity to upgrade this. Okay. So now I can go ask AI, make this an mirror image, and it's going to do it in a heartbeat. And now you can have a custom branded Zoom virtual background all made within seconds with your logo. Now, the key to this is to make sure that your logo and your brand color is specified in the settings section of your AI account. So there's a company background information. And let me go ahead and share my screen and I'll show you what that looks like. So AI is aware of all of my branding because I have specified this information in the agent configuration section under company information. So if you scroll down, you can see company logo, company brand color. So any assets that you want to put for anything that you create, logos, bio image, templates, put them in the company information. And then that way, when you go and ask it to generate assets, it will do it in your color, in your branding, and so on and so forth. Now, I've got a beautiful virtual background with our Dub logo.